Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Fuzzboo. So today we're going to be building a trap door that when we shoot a Hot Wheels car through it, we're going to have some stuff that falls. So yeah, let's get to building. So the first thing we need to do is build the supports that are going to suspend that trap door above this magnet tile bridge. So we're going to do this on either side. We're going to use 3 pieces here to give it some height. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, with that done, it's time to build the trapdoor box. For the bottom, we use a magnet tile since it'll be smoother for stuff to slide out of. We also use a magnet tile for what's gonna prop this up. That really is just, you gotta fill this box. You just gotta do this carefully because what you want is you want the box to fill and you want that bottom flap to rest on the support. Put the top on. It's gonna look like when it's ready. You've got whatever you want put in there. These are aquarium gems. It's slightly open and it's resting on that support. So when we send the car through this, support's gonna be broken and the gems are gonna fall down. It's gonna be pretty cool. All right guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like, subscribe to see more cool stuff, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.